Stylist Victoria, and I am back with another video. Now guys, this is another wig review. I'm doing this again during my lunch because you guys know that's when I like to squeeze in these videos of me doing hair videos and stuff. So yeah, that is what we're going to be doing for today. Before we get into this video, please be sure to subscribe. That way you guys are a part of my journey, and make sure you guys hit that notification bell. That way you guys can be notified of when I upload. So guys, now that I got that out of the way, I want to address something really quick. So I had a weird person that, I think is a grown-ass man that decided to state some things on my channel about me wearing wigs and things like that. So let me just clear this up here. When I do these wig videos, I do them for fun. And sorry if you guys see the sun going in and out and things like that. It's like one of those days where it's cloudy and then it's not cloudy and then it's cloudy again, which is really annoying. I wear wigs, I wear, extension type things and stuff as well. And I also wear my natural hair. I even come on here half of the time and my hair is not even done because I'm doing it on camera. So I'm completely comfortable with my natural hair, and I'm completely comfortable with doing things to spice up my look because that's what kind of a person I am. I am a Gemini, just in case half of you did not know. So, one minute I might be looking boring, the next minute I might be like, who is this person? So that's just who I am, okay? So I might come off really sweet sometimes, and then if you rub me the wrong way, then you might get the beast, okay? So that's who I am. So, it is what it is. I'm not offended by what that person said because I'm completely comfortable with who I am as a person. But I'm just addressing that just in case there are some people that just don't 100% understand. I tried to even offer him a wig. I guess he got offended and tried to come for me. And I was just like, okay, you know what? You're blocked. You can't say anything else on my channel. And hopefully he's watching because I have another wig video for him, okay? But anyway, guys, let's go ahead and just jump straight into this video. So, I was about to open the box without showing you guys, but here is what the front of it looks like. Don't worry, that's not my address. Let me just make sure. But, here's what the box looks like. It even came with instructions on how to, wash the wig, how to use the wig, how to keep the wig maintained and everything, which is really nice. So, I might end up keeping this box if anything. Okay guys, so this wig here is actually a 10-inch wig. Now guys, I've never in my life had a 10-inch wig, so I am a little bit scared. Ooh, wow, they really came with it though, guys. So, and this is also a headband wig, just in case you guys did not know. Alright, sorry guys for the angle change. I just kind of felt like I was hugging the camera at one point, and I just felt like I was all up in y'all face. So I had to back it back for a little bit. Now, here's what the wig looks like, guys. From the bag, it kind of does look really cute. Now, it is a 10-inch wig. They did give me some wig caps as well as a headband, which the headband is super duper cute. It also looks like they gave a headband within the bag as well. And like I said, the headbands that they gave look extremely cute. So let's just get into this because I am dying to get into this, okay? We're gonna plop on one of our wig caps that they gave us, and the wig cap is in like the beigeish kind of color, so that's cool. It looks like there's only one wig cap in here, but we're gonna double check and just make sure. And I am gonna take my hair out of this bun that I have it in, just so I have more of a flatter application. Yeah, it looks like they only gave one wig cap, which is a-okay, because once again, I have tons of wig caps, so I'm not even tripping. But, yeah, here we go. So I'm about to take this hair down or whatever, and then put this in a wig cap, and then I'll come on right back. Alright guys, so I am back with the stocking cap on the head. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and now take the wig on out of the packaging. Like I said, guys, this is a shorty, so I'm a little scared because I don't know what to expect. I've never had a wig this short, so we're gonna see what it's giving. So yes, like I thought, this is another headband here. This one's army type print, which is really cute. And we have our cheetah print here one. So very cute headbands. I'm very impressed with that. Okay, so let's go ahead and just take her out. Oh, wow. Okay, so I really love the way the curl pattern is looking. She's giving, she's giving, she's giving. Okay, so let's go ahead and plop her on, and we're gonna see what we're giving, and then we'll go from there. Well, before we plop her on, let's look in the inside. So the inside here of the wig is all black, which is, I feel good, because with the hair being black and then, you know, the wig on top, you kind of want it to be all kind of cohesive. We've got, wow, we've got one huge comb here. We've got two smaller combs here on the outer edge. And then we've got another comb here in the back. We also have the adjustable strappings in there. And yeah, so that is what the inside of the wig looks like. Sorry if I'm not showing it that well, but just, you know, trust me, it's in there. So yeah, let's get her on here really quick. Ooh, oh wow. Oh goodness. Okay. What is going on? Okay, hang on. Okay. I can already tell that, well, no, I don't want to give up on it. Hang on, guys. Okay, guys, so this wig, I did not notice at first, but it has like a thing where you can kind of protect the Velcro part by attaching it on right there. So that's really neat. I like that. Okay. So this is what the wig's giving. Very much Tiana Taylor from Fade is what we're giving right now. And as you guys know, I really don't plan on keeping it just sitting here like this, because we're not giving what we're supposed to give, and I don't know, I just kind of want like some hair flipped over or something so we can give more of a dramatic feel. That's giving me more something that I want. So there we go. But we're about to play with this little baby really quick, and then I'm gonna come back after I've got her looking the way that I want her to look. Alright guys, so I am back, and I still love the wig. I just don't really love the headband here of choice with this wig. So I want to go switch to my black one really quick, because I just feel like that would give what I want it to really give right now. And I did do a light little beat to my baby hairs, but let me come back with the black headband and we'll be good to go and wrap this thing on up. Yeah, we're gonna figure it out. Alright guys, so we are back, and I am back with the little wig or whatever. I feel like she's low-key giving, guys. I don't know what you guys are thinking, but but I just feel like she's giving. Like, she's giving me everything I need her to give me right now. Like, I feel like I could just, gotta go run to the store real quick, blah, blah, bloop, bloop. Here we go. She's on. Like, look at her. After we gave her the, you know, the swoop to the side, I feel like we just gave her rock the middle. Or, like, what the heck? We gave her Tiana Taylor once we did that. Like, yes, she's looking good. I feel like I could take some really, really cute pictures with this. Like, yeah, look at that. Like, yeah, she's just definitely giving, you know? Alright, so let me get into the details and everything on this wig. Now, for me, guys, this wig was complimentary. I got them from my good old friends, and they hooked me up with this wig for free. But I will give you guys the details and everything, and have everything linked below with my affiliate link if you guys are interested in purchasing this for yourselves, okay? Definitely I'm going to throw this one back on and do some little cute pictures and stuff like that, because yeah, I definitely am feeling this one. And the headbands are really, really cute too. It's just, honestly guys, I just don't think they looked good with it. And I always love doing the headband wigs with just a simple black headband, because I just feel like that is a lot cuter. I'm sorry, I keep touching my hair because this is giving me what I want it to give me. And I really didn't think that it was going to give me what I wanted it to give me once I seen the picture of it. But I was like, you know what? We're just going to have fun with it and try it out. So let's do it. So let's get into this. So the wig is called, or the store of the wig is called Beauty Forever Store. It says that the wig is 150% density. I could have even brushed out the wig, but guys, I'm over here rushing getting this video to you guys because I'm trying to rush back and stuff and maybe get a little lunch before work. So they gave 2 headband wigs and everything. It's a bob. Now the price on it, I think they went up on the price because I don't think it was that price when I purchased it. But the price is $61.89, and the size only goes the size goes all the way up to a 14-inch, which a 14-inch is not bad. I think with the other headband wig that I had that was similar to kind of this one, it was a 16-inch, but if you do 14, it'll probably go up to about right here. So yeah, and then they also have the 10-inch and the 12-inch. So 10-inch, 12-inch, and 14-inch. This one is pretty much wavy, except that the material type is human hair. For the most part, it is soft and everything. I believe you could put water and stuff to this because I kind of have like a little thought of what I want to do with this hair and everything. Let me know if you guys want to join me on playing around with this wig a little bit more and doing some different and cute little styles, because I'm thinking of really giving that fade look by, you know, wetting it and trying to do like a little good old grease back kind of look. So let me know if you guys are interested in seeing something like that, because it'll be a test for the both of us, okay? So yeah, let's just pretty much get into it, whether I liked it or not, whether it was a stash or trash. Honestly guys, I'm going to have to stash this wig. It is actually giving me a lot more than what I expected it to give me, so I'm loving it right now. I'm really over here feeling it. It looks way better. Like I said, it looks way better than what I expected. Because when I had seen it at first, I really got scared. Like, oh my gosh, it's really, really short. But I like it. Like, I really do. Like, it's getting me. So yeah, I really like it. Like I said, I want to do even more fun styles and things like that with it. And the 2 headbands that came with it are super cute. I don't know if they switch out the headbands all the time, but the ones that they gave me, I'm absolutely obsessed with. They give you a wig cap and everything like that with it. So this is definitely something that I would definitely recommend to you guys. And if you guys are interested in it, like I said, I will leave everything in the description box down below. Alright guys, so that is pretty much the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Please be sure to follow me on all of my social medias. They'll be listed in the description box down below, as well as here on the screen. Alright guys, so that is pretty much the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!